that? Is that a coffin?
Yes, my child.
No, who is he?
Mother, you must come with us now. It is time. Do not be afraid.
You can't take him. I won't let you.
Step aside, child. You cannot stop this. Your defiance is futile.
So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into today's video. And today's video is very nice video. We are using Grok AI to generate our entire video, just the way you see the video you watch right now at the beginning of this video. I'm going to show you guys how I use Grok AI to generate the full video with lip syncing, sound, everything. I'm going to show you guys. Now, this is Grok AI. If you don't have Grok AI on your phone or your laptop, if you are using phone, you can go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and you search for Grok. As you can see, Grok. You search for Grok, you download the app on your phone. But if you are using PC or desktop or anything, you can go to any of your browser and you search for Grok and you are going to see it like this. Now, the first thing you have to do is to register. So you click on sign up and you register. But if you have account with them before, all you just have to do is just to log in. Now let me log in into my account. Now after you log in, this is how you are going to see your interface of the app. This is how you are going to see it. Now the first thing you are going to do is to click on your profile icon here. When you click on the profile icon, you click on settings. As you can see, settings here. Now when you click on settings, you click on behavior. As you can see, behavior here, you click on it. Now if you come down here, as you can see, enable auto video generation. If your on is turned on, make sure you turn it off, so that anytime you upload image onto Grok AI, it will not be automatically generating video without you telling him to generate the video. All you just have to do is just to turn this off. When you upload image, it will not auto generate video. Now let's go back. Now the second thing you have to do is to click on imagine here. When you click on imagine, it will bring you to an interface like this, where it will tell you to upload your image or you upload your prompt. But this time we are using prompt because everything we want to use is not image. We want to use prompt to generate all our video scene. Now to do this, the next thing we are going to do is to come back to Chatgpt. On Chatgpt I've already labeled how I want my video should be. As you can see, I upload a reference image and I tell Chatgpt how I want my video. So Chatgpt should analyze everything and give me the video prompt. And this is what Chatgpt gave to me. Now we are copying from scene 1. Don't worry, this video prompt is going to be on my Telegram channel. Just go to my Telegram channel and the link to my Telegram channel is going to be on the description of this video. So just go to my Telegram channel and you are going to find this prompt there. Now, after copying the first prompt, we'll come back to Grok AI and we are going to paste it here. Now, when we paste it, the next thing we are going to do is to select here like this. So we are going to set our video duration into 6 seconds. Because if you say we should select 10 seconds, that means you have to upgrade your account. You have to be paying. And also video resolution to 720, you have to pay for that. But we are leaving it at 480. Now, your aspect ratio, we are using it for YouTube. So if you are using for TikTok, you can select this. Or we are using it for YouTube. So we are selecting this. Now, after selecting everything, the next thing we are going to do is to click on generate. Now, Grok AI is going to generate our first video scene for us. And don't worry, you are going to see how the result is going to look like, because Chatgpt have already analyzed everything for us. Because I tell him the story we want to create, I show him some reference images so that to get everything done the way we want it. So Chatgpt has analyzed everything. In less than a second, this has created a video for us. Now let's wait for it to load so that we can check the video and see how the result look like. And don't worry, and don't forget, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do hit that subscribe button so that when we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Guys, let's give it some minutes. Sometimes network challenges may make it delay, but just give it some minutes and it's going to show you the result. I think it's from my network. My network is very poor. That is why it is. Now this is it. This is our result. As you guys can see, this is our result here. This is the result. This is the result. You guys can see this is the result. Now this is the result you guys can see here. Now the next thing we are going to do is to click on this three dot here. Click on this three dot and we'll click on scale. After we click on scale, we are going to download this video to our phone so that when we click on this on scale, so that we get full HD quality, so that we maintain the full HD quality. Now we click on download here. Click on download. I'm going to show you how you are going to get the consistency character. Let's just download this to our laptop first. Now it has downloaded. The next thing we are going to do is we are going to forward this to the end. We are going to put this to the end here. As you can see, we are going to draw our mouse to the end here. Then the next thing we are going to do is to click on right click and we click on copy video frame. As you can see, copy video frame. We click on copy video frame and we go back here, and here now we are doing paste. We paste the video frame we just copied. Now after pasting the video, sorry, this is not what to copy. It's still pasting here. It's still pasting. Let's give it some minutes. Now we can also go back to Chatgpt. Now on Chatgpt, we are going to copy our second video scene. As you can see, this is the second scene here. We copy it. After copied, we go back here again. This one is still uploading. It's still uploading. Let's give it some minutes. It's from my network. My network is very slow this morning. I don't know why. My network is very slow. But let's give it some minutes. Now this is our video frame we just copy right now. Now we are going to paste the second prompt we copy from Chatgpt. Now this is the second prompt. As you can see, this is the second prompt. Now the next thing we are going to click on generate again. Now we are going to generate our second video prompt, and this is how we are going to be doing it repeatedly. After the end of the video, we are going to copy the video frame and add our second video prompt, and that is how we are going to be doing it. And we are going to create the video we want. This is how we are going to do it, and we are going to create everything we want. This is how we are going to do it. So let's give it some minutes so that it will also generate this. I'm going to show you the result. Now this is the result. This is what you got. Now the next thing we are going to do is to download this, and we also bring this to the end again. Then we'll click on we'll click on copy video frame again. Then we go back. After go back, we paste the video frame we just copy right now. We paste it here. Let's give it some time so that it will upload. Now before done uploading, we can go and copy our next video prompt. Now this is the next video prompt here. We copy like this. Then we'll go back to Grok AI again. We are going to paste it here. Sorry, that's not spaced. Maybe we did not copy it well. Let me copy again. Then we'll come back. Then we'll click on generate again so that it will generate the next scene. So this is how you are going to be doing it, and you generate everything using one single image prompt. And also Grok AI, you can create full movie. All you just need is just your storyline, everything to match. And after you get your storyline, you analyze it, you break it down into 60 seconds so that when you are creating it, you know what you are creating. This is the next one. No, this is not what we want. This is not what we want. We have to give it again. It did not generate what we want. We have to regenerate it again. I have to regenerate it again, sorry. So make sure you also be careful. Anytime you generate video, you watch the video and you look at it if it follow the prompt, and that is why it's important for you to read the prompt.
Mommy, what is that? Is that a coffin?
Yes, my child.
No, who is he?
Now this is it. This is the next one. As you guys can see, let me play it again.
Mommy, what is that? Is that a coffin?
Yes, my child.
No, who is he? Mommy, what is that? Is that a coffin?
Yes, my child.
So the next thing we are going to do again, we download this to our phone. After downloading, the next thing we are going to do is to click on here again. We click here and we click on copy video frame. So this is how you are going to repeat everything scene by scene till the end. After you successfully do everything, the next thing you are going to do after generate all the videos, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to CapCut or Insight or any video editing tool where you are going to imagine all the videos together. So don't worry, I'm going to pause this video now and generate all the video scene and show you guys how you can edit it using your smartphone. You can use your smartphone. Yes, I'm going to show you guys how you are going to use your smartphone and edit everything together. If you don't know how to use CapCut on your laptop or you don't know how to use it on phone, I'm going to show you by the end of this video and show you how you are going to add the transition, your background sound, everything. I'm going to show you by the end of this video. Let's just pause this video right now. So now, after generating all the video scenes, the next thing you are going to do is to go to CapCut. As you can see, you add all your video scenes together. As you can see, just the way I add everything like this. Now, you add it together at the beginning to the end. Now, let's play it and see how the video look like.
Mommy, what is that? Is that a coffin?
Yes, my child.
No, who is he?
Mother, you must come with us now. It is time. Do not be afraid.
You can't take him. I won't let you.
Step aside, child. You cannot stop this.
So this is how your result is going to be, and after everything you click on export and you export everything to your phone. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on our next video.